As part of the Operation Keep Egor Clean movement, Chairman Egor Local Government Council, Honorable Ogbemudia, don lead members of Environmental Health Service, Egor Council and Egor road makers to Ogbemudia Street off Benin Technical College Road to remove one massive refuse dump for the street and to ensure say everywhere for Egor local government dey clean and the roads dey for good condition for motorist movement. Streets wey dey close like Akokia Street and others no dey left out from the cleaning exercise. Chairman Egor Local Government Council, Honorable Ogbemudia, wey don promise to give Egor Local Government new face, join body with the different environment agencies to monitor the cleaning exercise to ensure say dem do better work. Some people wey dey stay for the area come throway salute give Honorable Ogbemudia for the ogbonge work she dey do for Egor to take remove dirty for their street.
I see what Eghe did in Ogbemudia. He's very grateful for what he did. God will bless her. Up it will go. The promotion is looking for again to go to governor. We like what he did. It's not only Ogbemudia. In Ugbowo, in other places, God will bless you. Saloba bless you well over Ogbemudia. Saloba bless you well. We still see what you are still doing in the dark. God will bless you and God will bless your workers. Anything you put your hand is a glory to you. Up you go. You cannot go back. You will go forward. In Jesus' name I pray.
Thank you for what you are doing. I learned you are from local government, local government. Thank you so much.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Egor Local Government area of Edo State, Balmi Mukoro, TMC TV News.